The goal today is to teach you guys how to write the negation of a conditional statement. But before we really do that, I want to really revisit this whole notion of the conditional statement, what it means, and how it's logically equivalent to that compound statement that we talked about on Friday. We looked at the two truth tables, and from like a checklist point of view, I could tell you, look, they're the same thing. But I wanted to do one more example to try and have it actually make sense. So we're going to look at the very simple idea of a conditional statement, that conditional statement being, if you're happy, then you clap your hands. Of course, I'm referencing the old childhood song, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. But we're going to look at it like, if I'm saying if you are happy, then you clap your hands, what we're saying is, every time you're happy, it's going to result in you clapping your hands. If you're happy, then clap your hands. It's going to happen, right? That's what we're saying. M implies N. So every time we're happy, then we clap our hands. That is going to be the same thing as saying N or not M. Where in this case, M is the condition and N is what happens. So if being happy forces us to clap our hands, then N or not M is equally true. Either I clap my hands or I'm not happy, right? If being happy forces me to clap my hands, then either I clap my hands or I wasn't happy. Because if I was happy, I would have clapped my hands. That's how we can make sense of the idea that these are in fact logically equivalent. And that's going to be important when we're trying to write the negation of a conditional statement. What does it mean to be not the case that if you're happy and you know it, you clap your hands? What does that mean? So let's look at that in the next video. And I think it's going to be pretty phenomenal.